Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I hope that y'all enjoyed y'all 3-day weekend. Miss B, I enjoyed it. So let's get started with our calendar. The month is September. Let's spell September, guys. September. September. Gonna put our pin on. The date is the 8th. 8. The year is 2020. The number 8 is a what, guys? Y'all should know this by now. What is it? Great job. Even. Let's spell it. E-V-E-N. Let's go to our next slide. What is the weather today? Is it stormy? Not over here. It's not stormy. Is it stormy by you? Probably not. Is it sunny? By me, it's very sunny. But let's check everything else, okay? What about foggy? Is it foggy? No, not by me. Is it foggy by you? No. What about windy? No. What about partly sunny? No. So let's go with sunny. What is the season? Is it fall? Not quite yet. But guess what, guys? It's coming. It's coming this month. Is it winter? No, it's not winter. Is it spring? No. Let me move the camera. Is it summer? Yes, it's summer. We're going to circle summer. Let's go to our next slide. The temperature. How is the temperature? Is it cold? No, Miss B. It's not cold. What about cool? Is it cool? By our houses and the air conditions? Yes, it's cool. What about warm? Some places it's warm, but most places, if you go outside, it's going to be hot. Okay? Clothes. What are y'all wearing today? Y'all have on a shirt, right? Everybody have on a shirt. What about a jacket? Not yet. Maybe at the end of the month, but not yet. Or in October, okay? And the sweater? No, not yet. Shorts. You may have on shorts. We can circle that. Pants. Miss B have on pants. Let's go to the next slide. Yesterday was what, guys? Yesterday was Monday. Labor Day. We had 3 days off. Next. Today is Tuesday. Let's go to the next slide. Tomorrow will be what, guys? Let me move the camera. Wednesday. Okay? Wednesday tomorrow. Let's see. How many days our kindergarten's been in school? I'm pretty sure 14. But I'm going to have to double check. I'm going to have to go back and look at the calendar. Sometimes we have to do that. 1st through 4th, been in school 17 days. Next slide. Okay, how many classmates do we have? It should be at least 9 of y'all watching. Today was an even number, so we could trace it. E-V-E-N. Or you could circle it, or underline it, or circle it. And with our basic tens, are we in the basic tens yet? No, today is the 8th day, so we're just going to use our ones. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can circle it. Y'all have an awesome day. I'll be right back with our paragraph for our other friends who join their paragraph. See y'all later with some more videos. Bye-bye.